Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers movies as part of its service? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you what kind of movie options are available on YouTube TV. If you're looking to stream films along with live TV, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does offer movies, but the selection is limited compared to dedicated movie streaming platforms like Netflix or Hulu. Many of the channels included in YouTube TV's lineup, such as FX, TBS, USA Network, and Freeform, often air movies as part of their programming schedules. You can check the channel guide or use the search feature to find specific movies that are being broadcast. Additionally, some networks on YouTube TV provide access to a small library of on-demand movies that you can watch at any time without waiting for them to air live. However, these on-demand options are typically older or less popular films rather than new releases or blockbuster hits. If you're looking for a broader selection of movies, you might need to supplement YouTube TV with a separate subscription to a service like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, or Disney+. Alternatively, you can use YouTube TV's DVR feature to record movies when they air and watch them later. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV handles movies, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.